Hello, friends. Today I'm here to discuss some important questions which were previously asked for NEET entrance examinations from the chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration. I think this video will be very useful for you since it's a quick revision of this chapter. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's start. The first question is Triple F or gland for flight, fight, and fright or life saving or emergency gland is. The options are option A thyroid, option B thymus, option C pituitary, and option D adrenal. The right answer is option D adrenal. Second question. Increase in bleeding time and delay in blood coagulation occur due to. The options are option A adrenaline, option B noradrenaline, option C parathormone, and option D thyroxine. The right answer is option C parathormone. Next question. Feeling tremors of an earthquake, a scared resident begins to climb down the stairs rapidly from 7th floor due to the hormone. The options are option A glucagon, option B adrenaline, option C gastrin, and option D thyroxine. The right answer is option B adrenaline. Fourth question. Mammalian thymus is mainly concerned with. The options are option A regulation of body temperature, option B regulation of body growth, option C immunological functions, and option D secretion of thyrotropin. The right answer is option C immunological functions. Fifth question. Which one is correctly matched with the accompanying description? The options are option A pancreas, delta cells of islets of Langerhans secretes a hormone which stimulates glycolysis in liver. Option B thyroid, hyperactivity in young children causes cretinism. Option C thymus, starts undergoing atrophy after puberty. And option D parathyroid, secretes parathormone that promotes movement of calcium ions from blood into bonds during calcification. The right answer is option C. Thymus starts undergoing atrophy after puberty. Sixth question. Blood calcium level is lowered by the deficiency of. The options are option A parathormone, option B thyroxine, option C calcitonin, and option D both calcitonin and parathormone. The right answer is option A parathormone. Seventh question. Hormones may be. The options are option A steroids, option B peptides, option C amino acid derivatives, and option D all of these. The right answer is option D all of these. Eighth question. Biogenetic amines are synthesized from. The options are option A tryptophan, option B tyrosine, option C glutamic acid, and option D phenylalanine. The right answer is option B tyrosine. Ninth question. A health disorder that results from deficiency of thyroxine in adults are characterized by first one low metabolic rate, second one increase in body weight, and third one tendency to retain water in tissues is. The options are option A simple goiter, option B myxedema, option C hyperthyroidism, and option D cretinism. The right answer is option B myxedema. 10th question. Which one is not a steroid hormone? The options are option A aldosterone, option B cortisol, option C testosterone, and option D ADH. The right answer is option D ADH. 11th question. The gonadotropic hormone is secreted by. The options are option A hypothalamus, option B adrenal cortex, option C adenohypophysis of pituitary, and option D interstitial cells of testis. The right answer is option C adenohypophysis of pituitary. 12th question. Common ingredient in secretion of salivary and Brenner's gland having role in growth, repair, and regeneration is. The options are option A, neurotensin, option B, somatostatin, option C, urogastron, and option D, enterogastron. The right answer is option B, somatostatin. 13th question. Trace element needed for insulin to exert its maximal effect in glucose uptake is. The options are option A, molybdenum, option B, vanadium, option C, chromium, and option D, selenium. The right answer is option C, chromium. 14th question. Which is a 32 amino acid water soluble peptide hormone? The options are option A, gastrin, option B, insulin, option C, glucagon, and option D, calcitonin. The right answer is option D, calcitonin. 15th question. Parathormone influences calcium absorption in small intestine by regulating metabolism of. The options are option A, vitamin C, option B, vitamin D, option C, vitamin B, and option D, enterogastron. The right answer is option B, vitamin D. 16th question. Which is not involved in tyrosine metabolism? The options are option A, calcitonin, option B, melanin, option C, thyroxine, and option D, epinephrine. The right answer is option A, calcitonin. 17th question. Toxic agents present in food which interfere with thyroxine synthesis lead to the development of. The options are option A, cretinism, option B, simple goiter, option C, thyrotoxicosis, and option D, toxic goiter. The right answer is option B, simple goiter. 18th question. Injury to adrenal cortex is not likely to affect secretion of. The options are option A, androstenedione and dehydroepiandrosterone, option B, adrenaline, option C, cortisol, and option D, aldosterone. The right answer is option B, adrenaline. 19th question. Low calcium in body fluids may be of. The options are option A, anemia, option B, angina pectoris, option C, gout, and option D, tetany. The right answer is option D, tetany. 20th question. Which one of the following is incorrectly matched? The options are option A, somatostatin, delta cells, source. Option B, corpus luteum, relaxin, secretion. Option C, insulin, diabetes mellitus, disease. Option D, glucagon, beta cells, source. The right answer is option D, glucagon, beta cells, source. 21st question. Hormone regulating diurnal rhythm or sleep-wake cycle is. The options are option A, thymosin, option B, glucagon, option C, melatonin, and option D, oxytocin. The right answer is option C, melatonin. 22nd question. Match the gland, hormone, and function. The options are option A, corpus luteum, estrogen, supports pregnancy. Option B, thyroid, thyroxine, regulates blood calcium level. Option C, anterior pituitary, oxytocin, constriction of uterine muscles during childbirth. And option D, posterior pituitary, vasopressin, stimulates reabsorption of water in distal tubules. The right answer is option D, posterior pituitary, vasopressin, stimulates reabsorption of water in distal tubules. 23rd question. Identify blanks A, B, and C. First one, A, estrogen, maintenance of secondary sexual characters. Second one, alpha cells of islets of Langerhans. B, raises blood sugar level. Third one, anterior pituitary. C, over secretion leads to gigantism. The options are option A, ovary, B, insulin, C, calcitonin. Option B, A, ovary, B, glucagon, C, growth hormone. Option C, A, placenta, B, glucagon, C, calcitonin. And option D, A, placenta, B, insulin, and C, vasopressin. The right answer is option B, A, ovary, B, glucagon, and C, growth hormone. 24th question. Which vitamin has same physiological effect similar to parathormone? The options are option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B, option C, vitamin C, and option D, vitamin D. The right answer is option D, vitamin D. 25th question. Adrenal gland is associated with. The options are option A, pharynx, option B, pancreas, option C, kidney, and option D, brain. The right answer is option C, kidney. 26th question. Master endocrine gland is. The options are option A, pituitary, option B, thyroid, option C, parathyroid, and option D, pineal. The right answer is option A, pituitary. 27th question. Which one can pass easily through cell membrane of target cells and bind to internal receptors? The options are option A, thyroxine, insulin, option B, somatostatin, oxytocin, option C, insulin, glucagon, and option D, cortisol, testosterone. The right answer is option D, cortisol, testosterone. 28th question. A person entering an empty room suddenly finds a snake in front. What happens to his neurohormonal control system? The options are option A, sympathetic nervous system activated, releasing epinephrine and norepinephrine from adrenal medulla. Option B, activation of sympathetic nervous system, releasing epinephrine and norepinephrine from adrenal cortex. Option C, neurotransmitters diffuse rapidly across synaptic cleft. And option D, hypothalamus activates paranervous system. The right answer is option A, sympathetic nervous system activated, releasing epinephrine and norepinephrine from adrenal medulla. 29th question. Which one of the following is correct? Options are option A, secretion of thymosin increases with age. Option B, glucagon secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans stimulates glycogenolysis. Option C, FSH binds with specific receptors over ovarian cell membrane. And option D, FSH stimulates secretion of estrogen and progesterone. The right answer is option C, FSH binds with specific receptors over ovarian cell membrane. 30th question. Catecholamine normally induces. The options are option A, alertness, option B, excessive urination, option C, decreased heartbeat, and option D, intense salivation. The right answer is option A, alertness. Last question, 31st question. Pituitary are under the control of. The options are option A, adenohypophysis, option B, neurohypophysis, option C, hypothalamus, and option D, pineal. The right answer is option C, hypothalamus. So friends, I think this video will be very useful for you, and if you think so, please do like, share and subscribe. So thank you. All the best for your exams. Thank you so much.